Hello and welcome back to Pullback Indicators. In today's video, we will discuss how you can use our indicator and strategies in a much effective and efficient manner. तो आज की वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे कि आप हमारे स्ट्रैटेजीज एंड इंडिकेटर्स को किस तरीके से एफिशिएंट मैनर में यूज कर सकते हैं. सो इन टुडेज वीडियो the content will be in both English and Hindi because there are some subscribers from South who are unable to understand Hindi, and apart from that there are some new users also who are facing a bit difficulty in using our strategy. So let's analyze today's Bank Nifty chart. So currently I am using three indicators. One is pullback price action, pullback momentum and pullback range breakout. So with pullback price action indicator we get trade with demand, supply and triangle patterns. But if you are a newcomer, अगर आप एक newcomer है, I would like to tell you to focus only on the supply zone and demand zone, leave the triangle breakout. Today morning what happened? Market opened here and you see the supply zone was here. So when you are trading with pullback price action on demand and supply, you can trade on 3 minutes as well as 5 minutes. So what is the strategy of pullback price action? When price touches supply zone and comes down and the trend line has to be red with red candles, you can enter. Your first target will be when there is a reversal in the market with green candles and the trend line is blue, you can exit. So today what happened? This is on a 5-minute chart. In 3-minute chart your entry is very early. अगर आप 3 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम पे ट्रेड कर रहे हैं तो आज आपके एंट्री काफी जल्दी हो जाता जिसमें 200 पॉइंट मिले. बट इफ यू आर ट्रेडिंग ऑन 5-minute टाइम फ्रेम देन योर एंट्री इज लेट एंड यू हैव टू एग्जिट समवेयर हियर. व्हाई? Two reasons. One is a bullish order block was created. Support zone is also here. At the same time, as per our strategy, it is reversing with 3 green candle. So you can exit cost to cost or with some loss. Now if I change this chart to 3 minute, see your entry is here and your exit is here. So your entry was early at 3-minute time frame. Coming back to 5-minute time frame. Again what happened? This supply zone got breached. When the supply zone is broken, जब supply zone break होता है वो क्या करता है? Supply zone it goes to the next level. When supply zone is broken, it goes to the next supply zone. Now what you can do? Again if price goes up, अगर price ऊपर जाता है and ये supply zone को बिना तोड़े फिर दोबारा नीचे आता है, perfect example, again you can trade and if there is a gap then leave it. तो आपका एंट्री यहां पर होगा and then slowly again it came down. You can take your small profit here, not much. उसके बाद there was a sell signal but as per price action indicator your entry is pretty early. Let's look at commodities chart. तो commodity पर आज एक range breakout मिला है on this candle 11.5. Please note if you are a newcomer, try avoiding range breakout right now. Trade with price action and pullback momentum. अगर आप एक न्यूकमर हैं तो आप pullback price action के demand supply and pullback momentum पर ट्रेड लीजिए, range breakout को छोड़ दीजिए. After you gather experience, use range breakout. तो as you know, when we trade with range breakout, we have a separate strategy with the help of line chart and with the help of extended triangle line. We check whether it is a fake one or a false signal. So as per today's line chart, this was a genuine signal and उसके बाद you can see I think almost crude ने आज 200 points दिया है. Let's check forex chart. So as per today's chart we got a range breakout here. ये एक valid range breakout है on this level at 1753 and you can see slowly it went up till the supply zone and it made a high of 1766. Now you can see here again as per our price action indicator there is a supply zone, price touched the supply zone and slowly coming down. So you can book your profit here. There is a bearish order block also at the same time. Sometimes you have to use your logic. When we are trading, apart from indicator and our strategy, sometimes you have to use your logic also. So now let's say if you have made a profit on this range breakout, why trade again? Leave the market. And let's say अगर आपने रेंज ब्रेकआउट पर ट्रेड नहीं कर पाए तो जब प्राइस यहां पर टच किया, धीरे धीरे नीचे आ रहा है, एट दिस लेवल यू कैन बाय अ पुट, बट योर स्टॉप लॉस विल बी अबव द सप्लाई जोन. उसके बाद अगर आपको देख रहे हैं कि देयर इज मल्टीपल बुलिश ऑर्डर ब्लॉक्स एंड प्राइस इज नॉट मूविंग, you can shift your SL to your cost price. Apart from that, there is also a sell signal which is below the bearish order block. Please note, when there is a sell signal between the bearish and bullish order blocks in the middle, you have to avoid. And apart from that, if the stop loss is very big, because when you take a trade on this candle, your stop loss will be somewhere above the bearish order block. So if your stop loss is big, avoid the trade. Now let us see some stocks. Adani Ports की चार्ट देखिए, रेंज ब्रेकआउट सिग्नल, वैलिड रेंज ब्रेकआउट है. आर एंट्री वाज समवेयर हियर एज पर आवर लाइन चार्ट. नाउ लेट्स से यू एंटर्ड एट 896 लेवल्स. उसके बाद इट केम डाउन टिल 891, ज्यादा नीचे नहीं आया, अगेन धीरे धीरे ऊपर जा रहा है. तो यहां पर तो आपके स्टॉप लॉस ट्रिगर हो गया, because if you have entered here, definitely for 3-4 points you will not book your profit. So somewhere here your stop loss triggered. But if you have used your logic that there is two bullish order block and also there is a buy signal here, you can reduce your position. Let's say if you are trading in options in multiple lots, you can reduce your position. You can exit. If you are trading in stocks, you can reduce योर साइज. एंड जब भी ट्रेड ले, ऑलवेज मेंटेन योर रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड. अगर आपके स्टॉप लॉस आज ट्रिगर हो भी गए, मान लेता हूं ट्रिगर हो गए, बिकॉज जैसा मैंने कहा, अगर आप लॉजिक यूज करेंगे तो आपको यहां पे दिख रहा है कि 2 बुलिश ऑर्डर ब्लॉक्स है एंड दी प्राइसेस आर मूविंग अप. लेट्स से उसके बावजूद योर स्टॉप लॉस गॉट ट्रिगर्ड, नो इश्यूज. व्हाट इज द स्टॉप लॉस? हाउ मच पॉइंट्स? आई थिंक हार्डली 5 points. Yesterday Adani gave in this trade, Adani gave yesterday 30 to 40 points. Now look at ICICI Bank chart. Sell signal on this candle, 1057 candle, and it is below the bearish order block. Now there is a doubt of some people whether the signal is repaint or not. क्या ये signal repaint है? Buy sell signal is not repaint. Please understand the strategy. You have to enter in the market only when the candle has closed. जब ये कैंडल बन रहा है तब एज पर लॉजिक सेल सिग्नल आता है, जा भी सकता है. बट अगर कैंडल क्लोज है एंड यहां पर सेल है, ये रिमूव नहीं होगा, इट विल स्टे. एंड आपको एंट्री लेना है कैंडल की क्लोजिंग पर. तो कैंडल क्लोज हो जाता है एंड यहां पर सेल सिग्नल है, मतलब ये और नहीं हटेगा, उसके पहले हट सकता है. तो हमें तो पहले ट्रेड लेना नहीं है. So please keep in mind, you have to enter into the trade only when the candle has closed. And if the candle has closed and the sell signal is there, it will never get removed, it will stay there. So you will enter here, you can buy put, at the money put, you can sell futures, you can sell stocks. This will be your stop loss. And for targets, you can trail your stop loss and use this bullish order blocks for trailing stop loss. And after that, I think ICICI from 917, it made a low of 904 or something like that. So I hope today I was able to make you understand in a more logical manner. Please be disciplined, and if you are newcomer, don't trade on the first day. Please observe for some time, backtest the strategy, do some paper trade, and then only start your actual trading. Till then, keep learning and be disciplined, because discipline is one of the most important key to make money in stock market.